AC1200 Dualband Wi-Fi Gigabit VDSL/ADSL Modem Router Installation Video. Connect to modem router. 1. Use a phone cable to connect the phone jack to the line port of the DSL splitter. 2. Use a phone cable to connect the modem port of the DSL splitter to the DSL port of the modem router. 3. Use a phone cable to connect your telephone to the phone port of the DSL splitter. If you don't need phone service, directly use a phone cable to connect the phone jack to the DSL port of the modem router. Connect to power source. Connect modem router to power adapter, and press the on-off button. When the PWR LED indicator light solid green, the system completes startup. Connect to network. Mobile phone or computer connect to Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi name and password on the back of the modem. Configure modem router. Computer is taken as an example here. 1. Start a web browser on a device connected to the modem router, enter 192.168.1.1 in the address bar, and visit it. 2. Enter the login username and password, and click Login. The default username and password are both admin. 3. Wait for the modem router to detect your link type automatically. When the detection completes, the DSL port icon on the page will turn green. 4. Manually fill in other parameters as provided by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. Tips: VDSL link type and PPPoE connection type are used here as an example. Congratulations, you can now start using the Internet normally. Visit the official website for more information.